Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you have to go to General Management and pick Language and Input. And here just pick Language. And if you'd like to change it, just click on Add Language, come along with the whole list of languages. As you can see, you've got plenty of them, so everyone all over the world will find something suitable. And let me choose, for example, Portuguese. And then choose the region. So click on Set as Default to activate it as default language. And this is it. As you can see now, the whole device is in Portuguese. So this is it. Now if you would like to switch off this language and go back to English, or maybe pick some other language, just open the settings one more time, go to General Management, pick Language and Input, go to the language, and you can smoothly remove Portuguese by tapping on Remove, mark Portuguese, and then confirm that you would like to delete it. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and that's it. As you can see now, we are back in English. Obviously you can set some other language the same way, smoothly by tapping Add Language and then select it. So that would be all. So you can smoothly and easily change language in your Samsung Galaxy M30s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.